Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn about whom, which is the objective case of who. As we have already learned that interrogative pronoun who, whom, whose and which are used for asking questions. So today our lesson is about whom, which means in Urdu language किसे, किसको, किससे, किस पर. Uh, you must know that whom is used singularly as well as plurally for an object. तो सिंगुलर में वाहिद में इसके मानी होते हैं किसे, किसको, किससे, किस पर. और अगर हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट जमा हो यानी प्लूरल नाउन हो या बहुत से लोग हों तो इसके मानी निकलते हैं किन्हें, किनको, किन से, किन पर. The basic structure of whom sentence is just like this. Whom, helping verb, which is in present indefinite tense. We have do and does as helping verbs. Then we will put the subject. If we are going to make a negative sentence, then we can put not before the main verb, which is always present in present indefinite tense. So our subject, our structure becomes whom, helping verb, subject plus not plus verb in present form. पहले फिक्रे की तरफ पढ़ते हैं. उस्ताज किसे पढ़ाता है? उस्ताज किसे पढ़ाता है? Whom does the teacher teach? Whom will become the object. Does is a helping verb. The teacher here serves as the subject because he has to teach somebody, and teach is our only main verb here. अब इस फिक्रे में हम दो चीज़ें बढ़ा रहे हैं. एक तो ऑब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा हमारा whom, दूसरा है ग्रामर. उसे हम कैसे यूज़ करेंगे? लेट्स सी. उस्ताद किसे ग्रामर पढ़ाता है? उस्ताद किसे ग्रामर पढ़ाता है? Whom does the teacher teach grammar? Whom will become our first object. It will always be our first object in any whom sentences. Do remember that. Teacher will become our subject. Teach is the main verb over here, and grammar will become our second object. Ustaz किसे grammar पढ़ाता है? Whom does the teacher teach grammar? वो किन्हें मदऊ करने से इनकार करते हैं? यानी वो किन्हें दावत देने से इनकार करते हैं. Whom do they refuse to invite? Whom will become our object. Do serves here as a helping verb. Whom will become our object. Do as helping verb. They serves here as a subject. Refuse is our verb 1. To is a preposition and invite is verb 2. Now in this sentence the subject is applying two verbs on the same object whom. वो किन्हें मदऊ करने से इनकार करते हैं? Whom do they refuse to invite? The next one is वो किसे फूल भेजना भूल जाती है? वो किसे फूल भेजना भूल जाती है? Whom does she forget to send flowers? Whom will become our first object. Does here is our helping verb. She is the main subject over here. Forget is verb 1. To is a preposition. Send is verb 2. And flowers are our object 2 or real object. In both of these sentences, grammar and flowers are serving here as a real object. Let's proceed to the next one. वो किसे तुम्हारे साथ ताउन करने की गुजारिश करते हैं? अब वो यहाँ पे कोई प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट है हमारा. बहुत से लोग हैं, एक दो या दो से ज़्यादा लोग हैं. वो किसे तुम्हारे साथ ताउन करने की गुजारिश करते हैं? Whom do they request to cooperate with you? Whom will be our object. Do here is helping verb. They is our subject. Request verb 1. To preposition. Cooperate with. Cooperate with is our phrasal verb 2. and you is the object second over here. In this sentence, we have two objects. One is the whom and the other one is you. वो किसे तुम्हारे साथ ताउन करने की गुजारिश करते हैं. Whom do they request to cooperate with you? अब इसी फिक्रे को हमने इसके सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट के हिसाब से तब्दील किया है. Just pay attention. वो तुम्हें किसके साथ ताउन करने की गुजारिश करते हैं. वो तुम्हें किसके साथ ताउन करने की गुजारिश करते हैं. Whom do they request you to cooperate with? Whom will become our object 1. Do as helping verb. They is the same subject. Request is verb 1. You. Now here you are performing two functions. Now here you is serving two functions. It will become object second for the subject 1 and subject second for the verb second. Preposition cooperate with is our phrasal verb second. Whom do they request you? वो किसके साथ ताउन करने की. वो तुम्हें गुजारिश करते हैं किसके साथ ताउन करने की. नाउ यू विल गेट द सेंस ऑफ दैट सेंटेंस कि ऊपर वाले में हमने बताया कि वो किसे तुम्हारे साथ ताउन करने की गुजारिश करते हैं. किसे here is serving as a third person who is somebody else whom we don't know. वो किसे तुम्हारे साथ ताउन करने की गुजारिश करते हैं means whom do they request to cooperate with you. The other one is वो तुम्हें यानी किसे नहीं बल्कि तुम्हें किसके साथ ताउन करने की गुजारिश करते हैं. Whom do they request you? वो तुम्हें दरखास्त करते हैं गुजारिश करते हैं किसके साथ ताउन करने की. I think you will get that sentence. It is a little bit difficult but not that much. आप किससे मिलना चाहते हैं. Whom do you want to see? आप किससे मिलना चाहते हैं. Whom do you want to see? Whom is the subject object over here. Do is our helping verb. You serves here as a subject. Want is verb 1. To is a preposition and see is verb second. Whom do you want to see? आप किससे मिलना चाहते हैं. The next one is लैला किससे शादी करना चाहती है. लैला किससे शादी करना चाहती है. Whom does Laila want to marry with? Whom will become our object. Does is a helping verb. Laila is our subject. Want to marry with. Want is our verb 1. To is a preposition and marry with is our verb second. Whom does Laila want to marry with? Now pay attention to these two sentences as well because they have a little complication. अली किसे तुमसे माफ़ी मांगने का कहता है. यानी अली किसी थर्ड पर्सन को आपसे माफ़ी मांगने का कहता है. Whom does Ali ask to apologize to you? Whom is our object 1. To is a preposition. Apologize is verb second. To is a preposition and you is object second over here. Whom does Ali ask to apologize to you? Ali किसे तुमसे माफी मांगने का कहता है. The last one is कि अली तुम्हें किससे माफी मांगने का कहता है. Now किससे here is a third person whom we don't know. अली तुम्हें किससे माफी मांगने का कहता है. Whom here will become as object 1. Does is our helping verb. Ali is the subject. Ask is verb 1. You are again serving here two functions as objects second for the subject 1 and at the same time subject second for the verb second. Pay attention. Whom does Ali ask you? Ali तुम्हें कहता है to apologize to किससे माफी मांगने का. अली तुम्हें किससे माफी मांगने का कहता है. Whom does Ali ask you to apologize to?